into the Nopa.
There they are.
There you go. There we go.
There
That's my
they
little
are.
man. That's my little man right here. First grandson, first grandchild. And you are a neat one. Yes, you are.
Is this a zoom, this little arrow?
Yeah, you can zoom in a little bit. It doesn't go too far.
I must be zoomed completely.
Huh, little man? Are you having a good time?
Having a good time at Tahoe.
Good day. It's a good day at Lake Tahoe. That little guy.
Opa's gonna go for a drive.
Smile for the camera, lady.
He says, I'm not smiling, man.
You smiling now? No, I want to go to bed. That's what I want to do.
He says, who's got the bottle? That's what I want to know.
You're not getting away until we get this camera going here, you know.
It's going.
Yeah. You can say something now.
All right, you guys can carry on with your business now.
Now.